Welcome back to the Pookie channel.
Yay!
So we got the cooler intake system, finally came yesterday, and we weren't sure how to add it, so we didn't record the process, but I think we figured it out, and this is what it looks like. So we got it clamped here, hooked up to this. We're gonna hook this back up so then we could still get some air through here, and then through the filter and into the engine. I'm kind of hoping this is correct.
That's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. I'm just worried. I don't get how this is, because the guy did it where he kept this on, had it where it leads to like that, like literally just like this. So I'm not too sure this is correct, but hopefully it is, and hopefully it doesn't blow up.
No blowing up.
That would be not skivity.
Not Sigma. Listen here, buddy.
No! All right, so we are now about to test it. We're kind of waiting for the check engine light to come on. We confirmed with our mechanic friend that is a correct setup. So
we're very smart.
Yes, very, very smart. So
no check engine light.
No check engine light, yes.
Oh my god.
It sounds a lot more, you could hear it a little more
deeper.
It sounds more deeper actually. I think it's working. I'm waiting to just hear it, and then we run over it because it falls off. We clamped it. We did clamp it though pretty tight.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
It's a lot faster.
It is. Holy crap. We would have only been at like 60 right here.
Yeah, we would have probably only been, I think we're like 10 miles per hour faster, to be honest. Holy cow.
We could take it on the highway and do it.
I kind of want to do a highway test.
Let's do that.
Alright, so it got up to 100 pretty quick, pretty easy now. You could really tell we have it. You can hear it. It speeds a lot faster. We just kind of started smelling oil right when we hit
Hit like 100.
Yeah, around 100 mph back there. Kilometers an hour.
Kilometers.
So yeah, so we're going to take it to the interstate. Actually, we're going to take these back roads here and do some testing.
Yay!
That's a direct 90 degree. I thought that was actually going into a turn, but no, it does not. I have no idea where I'm even at.
That's where the fire was. Okay, wow. Damn, these are some sharp corners. I was about to say, I was like, is he gonna slow down? Is he gonna slow down? We just increased the speed like by 20.
Last night when I was driving, I got 100, but I was in fifth gear at like 90 miles per hour. We were 6,000 RPMs, 100 miles per hour, which just goes up 7,000. It did not redline. It was not like, it kept going. You could hear it still going. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it got shaky. I was doing one hand and then it was like that, and I was like, oh shoot, got to 2 hands down. We were just hitting bumps like that. Getting out of third gear. Yeah, no, yeah, definitely. took a little while to get up to there, but like it's fast now. Like
It's way faster now.
you know, knowing how easy it was now to install it, I kind of wish we videoed us doing it. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's a lot easier than it was before. Awesome roads to do this on. Is just it's so bumpy compared to the interstate, where like it felt like we're going a lot. I got about 105 I think, but it felt like we were going a lot faster, and it was sketchier because it was like jumping like this, and I was like I was getting a little scared, to be honest. I was kind of pushing it.
Yeah, I was a little scared too. I was like,
so I was like, yeah, these aren't that. If they were paved, then yes. But
like recently paved.
It's just like you can see me just with the wheel. Like it's so bumpy on here.
Look, there's Mike. There's Mike. Hit him.
We locked the doors of the garage, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we put all the tools away.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can leave it there. Well, I went to some dirt driving, but I don't want to screw up the intake.
You probably won't. And plus, you can just vacuum it out.
But the issue is, if the filter isn't working properly, if I get dirt in my engine, then that screws up the engine. I'm literally flying all across the road with these pumps.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. Good. Is AJ here? Andrew. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Beat him up or something? Yeah.
You're getting fired. Oh, reaction time.
Ours probably has 20 more horsepower now. You pulled in. I know, I got it.
Wow.
I know. Don't mind the clutch smoking, but
That's your clutch?
yeah, we were bombing it. We got it like, I don't know how fast it is, but it goes a lot faster now in fourth gear.
Yeah? Would it give you like 4 horsepower?
Probably. I don't know, it's nice.
Yeah, it's clean though.
Yeah, that's it. The exhaust will be here Wednesday. Yeah. Alright, so I thought we were done with this, but we're into a problem. Not a big problem though, just a little tiny one. It's cold. I literally woke up first thing in the morning just to fix this problem. So the problem we're having is that we forgot to clamp down the filter right there. See, we need to clamp that down because I popped the hood last night and I found that thing was like down in here. So that's not good. That's not supposed to happen. So I don't know how long that was yesterday. I'm really hoping it was kind of towards the end of the night when I got done driving. Good. Let's see. I know I have another clamp. I do, right here. That might not be big enough. I really hope it's big enough. It's cold out here. But yeah. So I need to loosen this and put it on. Let's see. Oh, it's not big enough. Means we gotta go all the way to probably like this one right here. And All right. So that big piece is supposed to go in here, which is what we did wrong, or a little stupid for this, is that one came. Oh my gosh, really? Is this really? This one really is not even big enough for this. This one is apparently too small. Oh, maybe not actually. I think we might have. Nope, actually it's not small enough. We got it. Some of it somewhat. Let's just take this whole screw out of here real quick. Ooh, almost dropped that. Throw this one back on real quick. Oh, we're scratching that. Okay, actually, like, why are none of these actually fitting each other? Okay, got that. I was just clamping it. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, so I was clamping it right along this top line here, but I need to go on that bottom line. No! I just lost the screw. I'm really hoping it's under the car. Oh, where did this go? It's not good at all. Okay, so bad news. We lost the screw for this, and we lost our clamp. So I have this clamp here. Hopefully that's big enough for that other side. But let's use this screw here and use it on the other one. Can we just throw this over? Just because if we could at least, nice, it does fit. That's cool. That's good. That's good. Making somewhat progress through here, right? Just a little bit at least. Okay, we got that. And now we gotta. That is really loose whole camp. And it looks good and everything. So let's just shove that in there. Okay. Now we need to take this screw off here. It's right here. There we go. And I think just see if all these can be tightened anymore. And I did it. There you go. 5-minute project turned into a half-an-hour project. So moral of the story is make sure you clamp everything down.